In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to ban or unban someone on a Facebook business page. Managing who can interact with your business page is really important for keeping your community safe, professional, and on topic. Sometimes you'll need to stop someone from commenting, messaging, or seeing your page altogether. And other times you might want to reverse that decision. I'll walk you through both banning and unbanning step by step. First, open Facebook in your browser and go to your business page. Make sure you're logged into the account that has admin or moderator access to this page. Otherwise, you won't see the options we're about to use. Once your page is open, look for the settings option. This is usually found in the left-hand menu or under a menu icon, depending on the current Facebook layout. Click on Settings to open all of your page controls. Inside Settings, find and click on the section called Blocking. This is where Facebook keeps all the tools related to restricting people. When the blocking page opens, look for an edit button in the area related to blocking users on your page and click on it. This will expand extra options. Next, select Add Users to Blocked List. A search field will appear where you can type in the name of the person you want to ban from your page. Type their name carefully and then look through the list of profiles that appears. When you see the correct profile, click on Block next to their name. Facebook will show you a confirmation pop-up explaining what blocking does. Take a moment to read it so you understand that this user will no longer be able to interact with your page. When you're ready, click Confirm to ban them. After that, you can close the pop-up by clicking Close. That person is now banned from your Facebook business page. If you later decide to unban or unblock someone, you can do that from the same area. From the blocking section, use the back icon if you need to return to the main blocking settings. Then click on See Your Blocked List. This will show the people who are currently blocked from your page. If there's a toggle to display blocked users, click it to reveal the full list. Find the person you want to allow back onto your page and click Unblock next to their name. Facebook will ask you to confirm this action. Click Confirm, and that user will be unbanned and able to interact with your business page again.